Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Dito. Ganda pa ng view. Yung ilang mga kubana, oh. Sa mga gustong maligo, subukan nyo dito sa Southwoods mga guys. Malapit lang. Kalahating oras o isang oras nandito na kayo. Dalawang swimming pool dito, mayroon pang bata, mayroon pang adult. Ayun mga guys, please like and share po. Follow naman sa aking page, Siblito TV po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching po, babos.